Hi everyone! Today's vlog is a very special one because today we are going to bring our puppy home. We are just on our way to get our puppy. He is a 42-day-old Maltese puppy. A Maltese is a really small companion breed. I'm so excited to go see him.
Không khen quá. Correct.
that was day 1. This is Archie now. He is a big boy right now. He is almost a year old. Tomorrow is his birthday, so we decided that we are going to finally make this vlog about his origin story. Archie has become such a big boy now. Archie, namaste karo sabko. Archie, namaste, namaste, baby, namaste. Namaste karo, baba, namaste. Good boy, good boy. But it was not all hunky-dory. He was faced with a lot of challenges. It was not an easy ride either for Archu or for us. On day 2, we took him to the doctor. We took him to Cessna, and because he was having a little bit of loose motion, so we really wanted to rule out anything major. The doctor didn't really find anything wrong with him, and it was probably because, you know, his environment had changed. He was having different food, and maybe because of that, because of the changed environment, he was probably having an upset stomach, and he should probably have gotten better, but he was not getting better, and it was actually getting worse. And soon enough he just stopped eating anything and everything. He even stopped drinking water. So we took him to the doctor again. We took him to another branch of Cessna. This time we took him to the Electronic City branch, and the doctor over there did a combi test for Giardia, canine coronavirus and parvo, and he was diagnosed with canine coronavirus. He was just 40 days old when he had canine coronavirus, and we were so terrified at that point in time. The doctor seemed confident that he will come out of it, but you know, with puppies you can never say, it can go either way. So we were really scared, and she admitted him for 3 whole days. We used to visit him at the hospital every day, and initially he was not having any oral food. Then he slowly started consuming liquid food orally, and then got better day by day, hour by hour. You know, we used to get updates from the doctor at Cessna. She would send videos of Archu eating solid food, and that was such a huge relief for us that he was finally able to consume solid food. After 3 days he was released, and he finally got home. He finally came back to us, to his forever home. So Archie was so resilient at that point in time. He was just 40 days old, and he had such a severe disease, but he recovered, and he was so brave at that point in time. We used to call him Shiro Jr. He was named Shiro Jr. after our first dog Shiro, who passed away, God rest his soul. But we could never really call him Shiro, and we saw how brave this one was, and Shiro was watching over him, and Shiro was watching over us, and because of Shiro, my baby boy was so resilient and survived that, and we decided to call him Archie. Archie is short for Archibald, which in Greek means truly brave, and my baby boy was so brave during that time. And he also has this really cute sideways smirk on his face when he smiles, and it's so cute, and it reminds me of Archie, and that's why he's called Archie. But because of all of this, or he never really had a good gut health. He was diagnosed with Giardia also a couple of months later, but he's doing fine now. We've given him a lot of probiotics, we've given him a lot of immunity boosters, and he's finally, touch wood, doing a little bit better. So yeah, it's his first birthday tomorrow, and we couldn't be more excited to celebrate this major milestone with him. Hope you enjoyed this video. We are going to be posting a lot of content with Archie on this channel going forward. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do consider subscribing to always stay up to date with Archie's adventures.